The universe began with a bang. We call it the Big Bang. Today, we are witnessing another explosion happening at the speed of light. This is the age of artificial intelligence, and it's transforming our world at an unprecedented pace. Every day, new breakthroughs emerge, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. It's a thrilling, sometimes daunting time to be alive. But amid this rapid evolution, one thing remains constant: our thirst for knowledge. We yearn to understand the universe and our place within it. And now we have a new tool to aid us in our quest. It's called NeMo AI. NeMo AI is not just another AI, it's a revolution in the making. It's a powerful tool that has the potential to unlock new frontiers in science, medicine, and countless other fields. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of innovation. And the most exciting part, we're just getting started. Imagine a library with the sum total of human knowledge. Now imagine it's digital, accessible from anywhere. That's NeMo AI. Developed by NVIDIA, it's a large language model. It processes information on an unprecedented scale. NeMo AI stands out with three key features: a 128,000 token context window, local operation on consumer hardware, and open source nature. This makes NeMo AI powerful and accessible, opening up a universe of possibilities. In the realm of artificial intelligence, context is king. Just as the stars tell a story across the night sky, the meaning of words depends on their context. A single word can have 1,000 interpretations, depending on the words that precede and follow it. NeMo AI's 128,000 token context window changes the game. It processes and understands information in a way that was previously impossible. Imagine reading a novel. NeMo AI remembers the entire book. This ability gives NeMo AI an unparalleled understanding of language and its nuances. With NeMo AI, we are entering a new era of AI, understanding the richness of human language. Section 4. The freedom of your data, your control. In an age of data breaches and privacy concerns, control over our data is paramount. Most AI systems rely on cloud computing, which means sending your data to massive data centers owned by tech giants. This raises concerns about privacy, security, and data ownership. NeMo AI offers a different approach. Because it's designed to run locally on consumer hardware, you never have to send your data to the cloud. This means you have complete control over your data, ensuring its privacy and security. This local processing capability also makes NeMo AI incredibly fast and responsive. There's no lag time waiting for data to be sent to and from the cloud. This makes NeMo AI ideal for real-time applications, such as language translation and voice assistance. With NeMo AI, you're not just a user, you're in control. You decide how your data is used, ensuring its safety and privacy. It's a new era of AI where power rests in the hands of the individual. Section 5. Mistral AI, the architects of tomorrow. Behind every groundbreaking technology, there's a team of brilliant minds pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In the case of NeMo AI, that team is Mistral AI. Mistral AI is a French startup founded by former Meta and Google researchers. They are the architects behind NeMo AI, developing the algorithms and infrastructure that power this revolutionary technology. Mistral AI is committed to democratizing AI, making it accessible to everyone regardless of their technical expertise. Their work on NeMo AI is a testament to their vision of an open and accessible AI ecosystem. By making NeMo AI open source, they are empowering researchers and developers around the world to build upon their work, accelerating the pace of innovation in the field of AI. Mistral AI is not just building technology, they are building the future. Their work on NeMo AI is a giant leap forward for artificial intelligence, paving the way for a future where AI is accessible to all. Section 6. A universe of possibilities. The invention of the telescope revolutionized our understanding of the universe. NeMo AI has the potential to do the same for our understanding of information. Imagine a world where language barriers are a thing of the past, where anyone can access the sum total of human knowledge. Imagine doctors using AI to diagnose diseases with pinpoint accuracy, or educators personalizing learning for every student. Imagine scientists using AI to unlock the secrets of the universe, or artists using AI to create breathtaking works of art. These are just a few of the possibilities that NeMo AI unlocks. It's a tool that has the potential to transform every aspect of our lives, from the mundane to the extraordinary. As we stand on the cusp of this new era of AI, one thing is certain: the future is full of possibilities. And with tools like NeMo AI at our disposal, there's no limit to what we can achieve.